Ready to go? Oh, you're not bringing your cat, are you?
Yeah, of course.
But he's just gonna... Fine, just keep him away from me. What's his problem?
Oh, I think he wants to say hi to you.
No, ew. Not gonna happen.
You passed me the chips.
Yeah, let me just... Oh, move, little guy.
Looks like you made a new friend.
Wait, that's kind of cute. Who's the cutest
All right, we better get going.
Wait, but it's so early. Can't you stay a little longer?
We gotta get home.
You know, if anything ever happens to you, I'm happy to adopt Milo.
That's kind of a weird thing to say.
No, not really. Come on, Milo. I'm your new mom now.